Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare.
So they're coming to me.
Hi.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good, and yourself?
Good. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
We're wondering why you're standing here in front of our business
And who are you?
filming around.
Who are you?
My name's Alex.
And you?
Kyle,
And what do
you?
you guys do here?
what's your name?
What do you guys do here?
We work here.
Obviously, what do you guys do here? Are you guys supervisor managers or what?
I'm the plant manager.
Okay. And you?
I work for him.
Oh, okay.
So how can we help you?
I never asked for any help. Never asked for it.
Are you driving one of these trucks?
I'm just out here taking videos, and that's it.
Well, why are you taking videos?
Because I'm a free man.
That's a pretty cool contraption you got there.
Stay off them. Back off, okay?
Well, hold on.
Be respectful and
I'm a
back up.
free
Just
man.
stay away. Yeah, but don't get in my personal space, okay?
You're in our personal space right
This
now.
is not your personal space, okay?
It is our
this is a
personal
public.
space.
This is a public right away, okay?
What can we help you
Okay.
with?
I never asked for your help. Be respectful. Do not get in my face. I'm done talking to you guys.
It's all right. We can just stand here.
Yeah, go ahead, stand there. Make yourself look smart. I mean, if it's against the law, let me know and I'll leave. If it's against the law, if I'm breaking any laws, I'll leave. I don't like to break laws.
Do you even know if this is a public street? Do you know where this
I
goes?
just explained it to you. I just showed you why that's public. From there on, it's public.
Just because you said that doesn't mean that it's true.
All right, but then go do some research then. Go do some research.
I'm a police officer.
I can see that. Name and badge, please.
Can you identify yourself?
Name and badge, please.
Can you identify
It's in your
yourself?
policy to identify when you come in contact.
policy.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Officer comes with the West Jordan Police Department.
Badge number.
It's like 1896 or whatever the state year is on it.
Wow. You, sir?
Can we help you? Badge number is 138.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. I never called you.
Well, I know you didn't, but you're on private property and they called us. And
How is this private property?
It says private property.
Where does it say private property at?
You're on a business's property.
How is this?
This
Explain
is
to
not a
me.
city street. This is a private
Explain
business's
to me how this is private property.
Because OSI owns this property, and they were asking you to leave.
They don't own this property. They
Okay.
don't own this right here.
Who does that?
The city does.
No, the city
Okay,
does
you
not.
want to know? There's signs over there that says West Jordan City, okay? All right, go check everything before you mess up, and I attach myself to your pension,
I'm asking
okay?
you what you're doing.
Okay,
Why would you do that?
I will attach myself to your pension, okay?
Why would you do that,
Well, make a mistake and see what happens. Make a mistake. That's what the courts are there for.
Okay, well, we're not in the court.
Well,
just asking you.
make a mistake,
I don't work for the
and
business.
I will
Sir,
attach myself to your pension.
can you
All
listen
right?
to my question?
No, sir. I have nothing to
Can't
talk
answer.
to you about.
Okay, well then you need to leave.
I will not leave a public area whatsoever.
This is not public. This is not a public.
Call your sergeant before you make a mistake, and I'll sue you and the city.
What? They're
Okay?
asking you to leave the
For
business?
violating my First Amendment right to record in public. Okay? This is public. You should know that. Goodbye. This is not private property. Tell me, where's the sign that says private property? You know why there's any?
You show me where the
You
sign-
know why there's not any? Because this is not their property. Come on, man. You should know that. Go look for it. Do your own investigation.
Says that it is not.
Go look for it and do your own investigation. Simple. Simple as that. Okay, don't enforce feelings. You're a law enforcement, not feeling enforcement, okay? You are law enforcement. You gotta learn learn people's right.
You would like to film
Learn,
to stay out of the
learn people's right,
stand in the middle
learn
of the
people's
public
right,
street.
and especially learn the law.
Okay.
Stop enforcing people's feelings, okay?
You're claiming this
You're
is a public
dismissed.
roadway. You're in the middle
You're
of the road.
dismissed.
You
Right
need to
now
get out
you're
of the
blocking
street.
it, so I'm safe.
to get out of the
You have no responsibility for my safety whatsoever, okay? You're dismissed. Please go back to work and don't violate people's rights. You work for the public, okay? You work for the public. Get that to your head,
Then I need
okay?
identification to verify.
I will not identify myself. 77-7-15. As soon as you guys move, then I'll go. No. If you want to arrest me, I already told you, go ahead. Okay? I will see you in court, and I'll make sure for violating my rights, dude. You're asking for you're trying to violate my Fourth Amendment right and my First Amendment right. Okay?
I'm asking you to do it from outside of the street.
Okay, I am in the street. Exactly. You say it outside the street.
Stand in the street.
Hey.
I'm asking you if you would like to film, you need to get out of the road.
I don't need your permission. I don't need your permission whatsoever.
I'm not asking
Okay?
you to give permission to film.
I'm not asking for your permission. Why don't you wrap your ego, put it back inside of you, get back in your truck and leave. Be professional like this gentleman right here.
I'm just asking you to film, not standing.
And I'm asking you to get in the truck and leave. Okay?
I can't.
You're dismissed, man. Then let your ego take over you. Simple as that. You started wrong from the beginning, man.
Why? By asking you what you
No, by not wanting to identify, by thinking that I'm stupid. All right?
Says right here who
It doesn't matter whether it says right here or not. When people ask you for your name, you give up your name right away.
Okay, and you do
Okay?
the same for me.
I don't have to because there's laws.
You don't have to.
Okay? I don't have to. Tell me what law says that I have to give you my ID.
Failure to identify yourself.
Failure to identify. Is that a first offense or second offense?
What do you mean first or second offense?
Failure to identify is a second offense, dude. Come on, get it right. You need to arrest me first before failure to identify.
Why would you want to arrest you? I'm just asking you.
Why would you want my
If
ID?
you like to film, I'm just asking you to not stand in the road.
Well, I
to do it.
appreciate it,
I'm asking
okay?
you to please
But I
don't
know
stand
how to
in the
be
road.
on the road. I know how to be on the road. I know how I'm 46 years old. I don't need no one to hold my hand. I know how to cross the street. I know how to be on the road.
You're not crossing
I don't need your directives.
You're not
Simple as that.
crossing the street, you're standing in the road.
If you please,
I'm just asking you to
please
film from
wrap,
in the road.
okay, wrap your ego and go, please. Go back to work.
This is
What?
work.
No, you're dismissed already, dude. You're dismissed already. It's just your ego keeping you here. Man, this guy wants to leave. He wants to leave, man. He has that face inside like, why am I stuck here next to a hard-headed partner? I bet you that's in his head. But he won't tell you because he's a good cop. Good cops don't last in the police force, man. Listen to me. So please get in your truck and leave. Simple as that. And everything will be over.
And I would ask the same of you.
I will leave when I'm ready to leave.
Okay, and I would do the same for you.
There you go. That's your ego. That's your ego right there. You're law enforcement, man. You're out there and you need to go do something. I'm not done doing my business here. Okay, your business Your business is done. Your business is done. What you can't do. Shut up. I'm talking to him.
No, that's okay.
No,
If
you're
we
not.
need
You're
to stop,
talking to me.
Because you don't shut up. I'm talking to him. Shut. Shut up. Shut up.
no, it's fine.
God.
He's my senior officer. So I
Jesus
respect
Christ.
it. So if I was just asking if it's okay, me, he talk.
Yeah, let's talk.
Would you be fine if I?
Hey,
asked
Sergeant, get this guy out of here.
you? Would you be fine if I asked?
Yeah,
You know,
yeah,
I'm
let's
not
talk.
giving
Yeah,
my
I'll
name.
talk to you. If you're being professional, respectful, yeah, we'll talk. Yeah, we'll talk.
That's the
Yeah.
thing is, I don't want to violate.
Let's go over here to the sidewalk.
I don't want to violate your rights. I know you have your rights. Is that right? If I can get your name.
No, I will not give up my name whatsoever.
Okay, no, I respect that. I respect that.
All right.
It's just so he's my senior officer, and I don't mean I don't want to come step on his toes.
I'm so happy
And I
that
just
you're
want
not taking you're not acting the way he's acting.
Would you be okay speaking with me? Are you okay with that?
Yeah. What's up?
So we
You've been
just-
cool, so yeah, I'll talk to you.
No, you're fine. Yeah, like it's just I'm just gonna repeat myself. I don't want to beat a dead horse, so I'm not here to violate. So we did find out. So yeah, you are right. You are in your right to record as long as you're just out of the road because you wouldn't want anything to happen where if a vehicle comes down this road and hits you because then that's
don't worry
gonna
about
cause
it.
more problem because we don't want you to come out and that's for your safety if that makes sense.
Yeah.
I mean. You can stay on this side if you can. Just stay on this side. So this way, these guys are not, calling.
Yeah,
us and be like. and
I
just-
will stop you right there. That's pretty much like giving me directives what to do.
I'm
gonna
just-
do
yeah, I'm
it.
just
I'm
asking,
gonna
I'm
do it.
just
What
saying.
I'm gonna do whatever is good for my video. So if I have to stand on that side, I'm gonna stand on that side. If I have to stand on this side, I'm gonna stand on this side. If I cross the street, I know how to cross the road. I know how to cross the street, you know, and if I will never, you know, obstruct traffic whatsoever.
Yeah, no, let me
my
rephrase
safety,
that. I don't mean.
and my safety, it's my responsibility. It's not no one's responsibility. It's not even your guys' responsibility, because the court has ruled many times that our safety is not your guys' responsibility.
Let me rephrase that. I
okay?
apologize. I don't mean.
No,
I
you're
didn't
good.
mean to come off like, you know, telling you like, hey, you need to.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure that eagle's hard to swallow. And there he goes.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare.
Hey, just trying to see if I can get my records for the record request that I put in a month ago. Came in on July 6th, 2022, but the date that it actually happened on was June 28th at 9:37 a.m. with Officer Matthew Tippett, badge W360, deputy. She said I needed my ID and I shouldn't need my ID. What else does she need that's additional?
So any other requests will have to be handled through the county attorney, and here's her information.
But you guys have already made me jump through hoops. I'm not an acrobat.
Okay.
So I'm tired of
That's
jumping
all
through
the
hoops and wasting
information that I have for you.
resources.
So if you want to give her a call, then she can provide any.
No, you guys should be able to give the records, like, yeah, you know, just stop making me jump through hoops, ma'am.
The thing is, ma'am, is the Cora laws and also Colorado Criminal Justice Records Act protects us that we don't have to show ID to get records. And the reason for that is because then people can retaliate against us, right? Now, there are some states like Virginia where you have to have an ID because you have to be a resident of that state to obtain records. But Colorado is not that way. So your policy, if this is your policy, ma'am, then your policy is literally violating the law and it's violating our rights. So we need, so hold on, ma'am, I'm not done. So what we need to do, okay, is we're here peacefully to try to obtain this information that we have a lawful right to get. Now, if you prevent us from getting this information, then what's gonna happen is we're gonna have to take this to district court, and then you specifically, ma'am, are gonna have to, and this lady and whoever is gonna have to answer to the district court judge.
And that's fine, that's a county attorney. I don't create the policies. We have forms that we require to be filled out, signed, and we require identification.
So you don't make the policies, you just follow orders without question, not even knowing if it's a violation of our rights, ma'am? Can I get your name?
Information that I have.
Can I get your name, please?
My name's Melissa.
Melissa? Let me write that down, hold on. On here.
How can I help you?
Hi, can I get your name?
My name's Hannah.
Hannah?
Yes.
Is that like H-A-N-N-A-H?
Yes.
And you're the supervisor?
Yes.
Last name, please.
I don't provide that.
So you have to because you're a public employee. So like I told her, she didn't want to give it, so I'll do a public records request. And I'll also get your salary too, and then I'll publish it if you don't give
my card. One moment.
Okay, so now you will give the last name. Okay, so we got Hannah Tavener. Okay, so I was explaining to your employee there that Cora laws and CCJRA laws protect us that we don't have to show ID in order to obtain public records. The only thing that we have to do is give you a signature for pecuniary gain. That's it. So she was saying that it's your policy that we have to show ID. So I'm trying to tell her and you that your policy is a violation of the law and it's a violation of our rights as free American citizens. So we told her that if you guys are going to deny this man public records, which is shameful, then we're going to file in district court, and you and her are both going to have to answer to the district court judge.
Okay, you can contact our county attorney and they would be happy to discuss it with you.
So we'll go to IA then,
Okay.
and we'll see what they say. Hopefully they'll have, in the administrative building, they'll have some people that are more educated on the law than you are, because you need to do better, ma'am. So you're violating our rights right now, okay?
Okay, so you can go ahead.
Not
and
okay. No, not okay, ma'am.
I don't have anything further that I can provide you that you're looking for.
But you could, though. You could give us the records we're requesting that we have a lawful right to get.
Okay, would you like to give me a copy of your ID and fill out our form then?
So you're just being rude and condescending now? I just explained to you the law, ma'am, that we don't have to do that. Now you're going to ask me for my... You have the audacity... You have the audacity to ask me for my ID after I just told you you're violating our rights by requiring us to show ID, ma'am? I just told you the laws. Colorado Criminal Justice Records Act protects us that we don't have to show ID, ma'am.
Okay. Well, then I have nothing further that I can provide you, so unless you want to fill out our forms or contact the county attorney, I can't assist you further.
Okay. All right, ma'am. So...
Is
oh, you're just going to walk away from us?
Have a great day. I'm
Is
sorry.
Ann here?
Anything else I can do?
So I think actually... Hold on, ma'am. We're not done. Ma'am. Hey, Hannah, what are you doing? We're actually not too good, man, because we were just ringing this bell. We're in the middle of having a conversation with Hannah.
Okay.
And she walked away in the middle of a conversation. We weren't done yet.
Yeah.
And then we've been ringing the bell now for about like 10 minutes. And you guys are just ignoring us, so that's unacceptable. We're just free Americans. We're just trying to gather some information. We're actually here to back up our friend here who is trying to do a public records request for a dispatch call.
Yep.
And you guys are saying that it's your policy that we have to ID, but Cora laws and CCJRA laws, they actually protect us. They state that we do not have to show ID to get public records. We only need to provide a signature for pecuniary gain. So your policy is in violation of the law. So you're the lieutenant.
Yes.
So you're that high ranking and you think that you can require people to show ID to get public records?
I do.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you know that we're going to go, if we can't get this taken care of over here in IA, then we're going to go file in district court.
Okay.
And then you personally are going to have to answer to the district court judge. You realize
I
that?
fully accept that, and if that's
All right.
the route that you would like to go, then you are welcome to that redress of grievances through the corporate.
Wait, we don't.
Can I help you guys?
No, we don't need help. Actually, yeah, we do need help. We're trying to obtain public records for this gentleman, and he's being told. Actually, can I get your name and badge number?
Sure, come on up. 211-228. Come on into the main entrance.
Name and badge number, please.
My name is Sergeant Law. Badge number is 228.
Do you have a business card?
I do. Let me grab one for you real quick.
May I get one too, please?
I have one too.
Would you like? I would all like one, please.
So, can I help you guys?
Yeah, as soon as we get your business card, then I'm going to explain the situation to you.
Here, we'll pass that around.
Okay, here's one for everyone else. Get your name and badge number, sir?
Deputy Scudder, badge number is W211.
Do you have business cards? We'd like 4 of them, please.
You 4 in this room. I'm sorry. Us 2 makes 6.
Yep.
We got a 10 by 10 room. That's too many people in the little area. So I'm asking you to step out here and talk to me.
You're asking me?
Yep.
I'm
I
asking
can't
you
block
to.
him.
I'm asking you to take your shoes off. Can you do that? You see how I'm giving you a directive that you don't have to abide by? That's what you're doing to me. I thought that's what we were doing here.
So if we want to talk about directives we have to abide by, there is a statute that talks about impeding governmental services.
And we're not impeding anything, sir. We're not. This gentleman came in. We moved out of his way, and that's it. That's the bottom line.
Okay. How many times have you guys called into records?
I haven't called at all.
So with all these phone calls you guys are making, what is
I'm not
the
making
main
any phone calls,
request
sir.
you guys want?
Yeah. So let me just go ahead and start from the beginning. Then. That's
Well,
what
I'm
we want.
asking you to do. There's 2 things I've made. There's simple requests. One, let's step out of this doorway so people can come in and out.
You're the only one in the doorway.
You're the one in the doorway blocking.
Where do you
people.
want me to stand?
I mean,
when
we
you
come
got
up here-
you 3 are blocking that room right
Go ahead. Come on. Step on it.
Have a seat.
So
So we'll be out of the way.
we're leaving the facility open so people can come and go as they need to. Yeah, I got the report. Okay. So the main thing we want is a dispatch recording. You're the one making the recording or the request. Can I get your name?
No, it's right there.
Your name's right there. That's your legal name.
Excuse me, everybody. Thank you.
His name's right there, man.
Are you giving me false information or what's your legal name?
He doesn't have to give you his
He
name.
doesn't
What are you
have
talking
to,
about,
but he's
man?
making a request, is he?
Yeah, and he doesn't have to give it his name to make a request either. We're being very clear on the law, sir. You're a sergeant. You should know this, man.
I don't have every law memorized. We've already talked about that.
So do you know the case number that you're requesting the
I've been
footage
trying to
from?
get that, and they keep trying to make me jump through
Okay,
hoops,
well
and I'm
that
not
could be
an
why
acrobat.
they need your name. If you don't have that case number, there's...
I have all the other information that
Yep.
they need. And they
Okay,
can
so
easily
let's just
provide
We
it.
have the date, we have the time, we have the other officer who was there.
Yeah.
Okay,
We have all the information that you need.
right.
So,
But for them to look stuff up, everything's by a case number. So if they,
Yeah.
if you
And-
guys are requesting this information from them,
yep.
then...
And it's your guys' job as
case
the public
number.
employees to use the information that we give you to find out the case number.
But you're not giving them any information.
We have given plenty. We gave the date and time of the call. We gave the officer's name, and we gave the name of the person who called the police. That's plenty of information to find out get the dispatch call, sir. You may be used to bullying people and providing their
We're not
name
bullying
unlawfully.
anybody.
Yeah, absolutely, you're bullying us.
Yes.
Absolutely, you're bullying us, sir.
Trying to violate our Fourth Amendment.
You can't. You swore an oath to the Constitution, right?
I did.
So then, why would you try to violate our Fourth Amendment
I'm not
right?
trying to violate anybody's
Yes,
rights.
you
I'm
are.
just saying.
The lieutenant is, that girl Hannah, the supervisor is, the sergeant here, and you. You guys are all complicit in this whole thing. And like we told them, what we're going to do is we're going to go, when we're done here, when we're ready to leave, once you guys leave, just let you know, then we're going to leave, but we're not going to leave because you tell us to. So as soon as you guys pack it up, we're going to be out of here. But we're going to go over to Internal Affairs and see if they're going to handle it. And if not, I have a feeling, downhill, right? So I have a feeling the way that you guys are trained, they're probably not going to do anything. But if not, we're going to file in district court, And then you, everyone that's here that we spoke with,
Right as a,
you're going to have to answer to the district court judge, and they're going to be like, hey, Weld County, what the hell are you guys doing? Why are you requiring citizens to show their ID to get records? You guys are going to get handed to you. You realize that, right?
okay.
You don't care?
I'm not saying that I don't care. It's your guys' right. If you want to go file in court, go file in court.
That's what we're going to do.
Well, we're here for
So
a
go ahead. Why don't
reason.
you guys just take off, man? So you guys leave, then you guys are dismissed. We don't need your help.
Okay.
So go ahead and take off, and we'll be out of here when we're ready.
So, none of you guys want to tell us your names, right? It's just going to be right there.
I mean, I'm
You're
right
right
here.
there, you're
I'm right
right.
here.
I can't read that from here.
He's pointing at it.
Right here, okay. Oh, you're pointing. Yeah, dude.
You're dismissed.
We're not gonna, well, thank you for dismissing.
Yeah, no problem, man.
You're very kind. All right, you
Yeah.
guys have a fantastic day.
You too.
All right, see you later.
Hey, man, I do, actually, before you leave, you were really nice and cordial as you violated the law today. So good job on that one, man.
Thank you. You have a good day.
You too.
That's fine.
Do better, man. So, I don't have much faith. Oh, look, they all came in deep, guys, for us. Look. Look at this. Honor your oath, man. You know the Fourth Amendment, right?